Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Let's see what it sounds like pulling on the hoist. Maybe you can guess what it is. How about under the hood one more time? Let's take a dive down underneath and see how it sounds from there. Any thoughts yet on what this might be? Post them down below. By now, I imagine it has become apparent to you that you realize the torque converter bolts were loose. Someone previously put a transmission in this vehicle. I'm going to pull them all out, put some Loctite on them, and get this vehicle out of the shop.